So this is the chuck pot roast that I got from Walmart. And I'm gonna put it in a crock pot. I'm gonna leave it on high because I want it to be ready by at least by 3:30. That's when my girls will get out of school. So I'll put that in there right now. I'm going to put half an onion in the crock pot. Now you could put it on medium or low. I mean, if you're gonna be working and you want it to cook all day, do that. But I leave it on high because I really want it quick. So I'm gonna put half of an onion. I'm sorry how I sound. I am not feeling good today. I had food poisoning, so still throwing up. Now for the garlic, I poke little holes. And I don't have garlic cloves on, so I'm gonna have to do this. So I'm gonna get a spoonfuls and put them in where I put the little holes, and then I'll probably sprinkle some. Just like that. Like push it in the little holes that I put in, that I poked. And I just sprinkled some on top. But I did push some garlic in the little holes. I kind of love it when I have the chunks of the garlic, so I could just stick them in there and that's it. But since I ran out, I had to use the minced garlic today. Again, I did use half of a white onion. You could use whatever onion you want, a yellow onion, but in my machaca, I like the white onion. Garlic, and that's it. Close it and forget about it. Once it's done, I'll show you what else I mix in with. But I don't put no water, no nothing, because the own meat's juice is gonna cook in it. So it is perfect, my machaca. But we'll let it cook and we'll go on the next step. So if you check on it, if you want to check on it, right? If you have the time, because sometimes people work, so you just can leave it there. This one, since I'm here, I'm gonna just flip it. So give me just a minute. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if I could do this one-handed. Son of a biscuits. Alrighty. Alright, so I flipped it. Put that back on there. There. Okay. And we'll leave it. I forget about it. I would say maybe another 2 hours, because it should start falling apart on its own. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. I put it on low probably like 30 minutes ago because it's already falling apart. Okay, I would take out the meat and shred it right now, but I put it on low because I have to go pick up the girls from school really quick, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna put it as low so it will not burn. And I'll be back. Probably like 10 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna put it on keep warm so they won't overcook. Don't want it to be overcooked. I'll go pick up the girls, then I'll come back, take out the meat, shred it, see how much salt it needs, because I did not put salt. I always wait till after. So you'll see. So now I'm just shredding it and see how easy it is. Super easy. So I'm just gonna shred it and then I'll put it in the crock pot and put some salt. And then I will be adding this. This is what gives you the flavor. So you just mix it. So I already put some salt. And just mix that around. And you're done. That's the machaca, how I learned how to make machaca. Super good. Try it. Thank me later. Bye.